guys, I'm back with another ESL hiring recommendation, and ito ay thousands language. Di ako familiar dito, pero parang hindi naman siya scam kasi nung na-stalk ko siya, parang legit naman. Okay, about this company, no interview, only demo. Ito yung gustong-gusto natin, di ba? Tapos, yung platform ay Voove, starting rate, 60 pesos per 25 minutes, booking system, weekly salary, Chinese kids and adults schedule, kung part-time, 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. Kung full-time, 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Work mode online, syempre, 'di ba? Online talaga. Alam naman pumunta tayo doon, 'di ba? Work from home, qualifications, foreign Filipino citizen, must have a good pronunciation and grammar in English. Female or male, graduate or undergraduate, must have a laptop, computer with minimum of 8 gigabyte storage, stable internet connection, minimum of 50 Mbps, kindly send application requirements to mafritzlimaybandiano@gmail.com. Application requirements, resume or CV, introduction video, field application form, full name, teaching experience, previous ESL and job and company, education availability, certification, teachable subjects, and availability to start. Parang okay naman siya. Nasabi ko na ba yung rate? Wala pa. 60 pesos siya for 25 minutes. I think it's not bad. Kaysa naman sa 40 or 50, diba? Pero, what works for you may not work sa akin. What works for me may not work for you. Diba? Ganun lang talaga.